What's up, guys? Dr. Josh here. I'm with one of my favorite patients. I say that because he's here, I'm just teasing. Favorite patient's Christian. He's been coming to me for what, 3 years, Christian?
Yes.
Yes? And he occasionally gets some upper neck pain, sometimes some low back pain, but he's been through a couple car accidents, so we've been helping him out, trying to put him up and straighten him out. So let's get the massage going. Christian, you cool with that?
Yes, I am.
All right, man. You know, I'm gonna come on this side so you can actually see what's happening here. Christian, you sit at a desk most of the day, don't you?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, so Christian gets a lot of that upper neck tension from punching over the computer and all that fun stuff. Does it feel all right pressure-wise, Christian?
Yes, it does.
Good. Do I get to dig into your shoulder today?
Please.
Yeah, cool. Cool. All right. Should be nice and tenderized, Christian. All right, my man. Take a big breath right there. Exhale here. Good, Christian. Really good. Really good. Feel okay?
Mm-hmm.
Oh boy. Another breath there. Exhale. That's the one. Oh boy. Let's chew one more. Let's try one more in the middle. Exhale. Yep, I got greedy. That's okay. That's okay. All right. Pretty level today, Christian.
It's
a
better
good
than
sign.
yesterday, yes.
What's that?
It's better than yesterday.
Better than yesterday, yes. That's a good sign. A little stiff still, but better than yesterday. Turn this way, Christian. Pretty pleased. All right. There we go. Pretzel you up. All right, Christian, just relax as much as possible. There we go. Good stuff, Christian. Other side of it. You still stretching in there? Yeah, good. The flexible 5.
Starting to work out.
Good, that's good. You and I both. That's the one. Good. That's what I'm looking for. All right, Christian. You want the extra hot sauce, the medium?
Yes, please.
Extra hot? All right. Nice. Beautiful. Holy moly. Which shoulder's tighter there? That
This one.
All right, slide this way a little bit. And then put your feet up on. I like these jeans. Look at it. Can you get a snap of these jeans? Look, these guys got street game today. Street game on point. All right. Just drop that for me. Happy, healthy thoughts. Oh my gosh, Christian. Whoa. Did you get all that? Mm-hmm. That was a good one. That was big.
That was a good one.
That was huge. That was twice as big as yesterday.
Uh-huh.
Come on up, Christian. Let's turn this way. And we're going to do a little myofascial release on his neck. Still left side more?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. If I push too hard, Christian, let me know.
Never too
Let's swing you. Let's swing you over here, Em. Never too hard?
Never too hard.
All right. Do you ever get massages, Christian?
Yes, I do.
Okay, good. Who do you see?
See somebody close to my house. She goes
Nice.
4 times a month,
Oh, very good.
so once a week.
Nice.
Especially when I'm working home.
Yeah, that's good for you. Adjust it, massage it, strengthen it. That's the trifecta. There you go. Let's do this side too, Christian. Feel all right, Christian?
Yes, I am.
Good. All right, brother. How do you feel?
Great.
Great. That's what I like to hear.
Come with Dr.
Thanks,
Josh.
guys.